Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is my February Boxycharm. I'm super excited to open up this box and share it with you guys, so let's just go ahead and get started. So the theme this month is Afterglow. So the first thing in the box is this Sol de Janeiro Coco Cabana cream. I already have the Bum Bum cream, as you know. I love it. I'm super excited to see this in the box this month. It says it instantly transforms dry, dehydrated, irritated skin into its softest, bounciest, most luscious version of itself. Deliciously scented with their Churroso 39 fragrance with mouthwatering notes of coconut, toasted praline, and warm vanilla latte. If it's the exact same formula as the other one, then I know I'm gonna love it. If you like the smell of coconut, vanilla, that's exactly what it smells like. This feels just as moisturizing as the Bum Bum cream. It definitely has a tasty scent. This is definitely not the biggest size you can get of this. This is like the next one down, and it retails for $20. That's almost the price of the entire box, so I definitely like that. Next thing in the box is this Touch in Sol No Problem Primer. This retails for $18. I'm excited to see this in the box because I've heard a lot of people talk about this and how they like it. Create a seamless canvas for your foundation. The light silky texture blurs pores and wrinkles, giving your skin a soft velvet feel. I'm gonna go ahead and try this out, and I'm gonna apply a foundation on top that I already know that I love. It does come with a pump, which I like. Should I shake it? Does it say shake? I'm gonna shake it just to be sure. So it says it's supposed to fill in the pores, so I'm gonna put this all over my face. It seems like it's really moisturizing too somehow. I don't know how much I need, but I don't want to use too much. Can't say if it has a scent because I'm smelling that cream on my hands, but it feels really nice. It feels like it is a mix between a moisturizing primer and then like those pore filling silicone primers. It almost has like an oily feel to it. Kind of almost has that liquid to powder feel to it. I don't know. We'll see how my makeup sits on top of it. So I'm just gonna go in with my Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define foundation because I know that I already love this foundation. Here's what my face looks like close up with the foundation over the primer, and I think I like the primer. It did, I think, make the foundation almost like a little bit more matte. It feels less sticky. This primer is something that I would focus more in my T-zone, but it doesn't feel bad all over the face. Like, I don't feel like I feel cakey or anything like that, so I think I definitely like it. So I'm just gonna finish putting on the rest of my makeup, or some more of my makeup, so that I can get to the next product in the box. And now that everything is set down, I'm gonna go into the next thing in the box, which is this guy. This is the Pretty Vulgar Bronzed Bee Bronzer. This is a matte bronzer, and I'm very excited to be trying this because I've loved pretty much everything that I've gotten for the Pretty Vulgar brand so far. This retails for $32. It actually looks like it's gonna work for me. It's like kind of powdery, but not too much. Put a little bit across the nose like I normally do, and then underneath. I really like that. It blended out really nicely. The pigmentation was nice. If I applied a little bit too much, it was no trouble to just blend it out. I give this an A+. I definitely like this. The next thing in the box is this Nude Sticks Magnetic Luminous Eye Color. This is in the shade Copper Foil. I have a Nude Sticks, one of these pencils, and it's a matte color, and I just feel like I'm intimidated. I don't know how to use these, so I actually did look up a YouTube video on how people are using these. People are using it with their finger. They're not going in with a brush at all. So I'm gonna try to make like a quick eye look with that, and I'm just gonna use the bronzer and this, and we'll see how it goes. But I'm not the best with these because I don't have a lot of experience with it, so that doesn't mean the product's not good if it looks bad on me. So this is the quick little eye look I put together, and I think I do like this. I just think that I will need to practice with it a little bit more. The next product in the box is Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. This retails for $24. I'm sure you've heard of it. Everybody has. I actually already have this mascara, so I'm not going to open that one. I'm going to use the one I already have. So I'm going to curl my eyelashes first. This says it separates, coats, and curls. It doesn't curl. I mean, not my eyelashes anyway. I think it's more volumizing than lengthening, but let's go ahead and do a little demo for you. This is not a mascara that I would purchase for myself, just because I have a drugstore mascaras that I like just as much as this one. I do like this mascara and I will get plenty of use out of this, so I do think it was cool that it was in the box. So the overall value of the box was $118 this month. It's a great deal. I don't ever watch Boxycharm videos before I film mine, of course, but I did see some like thumbnails and things. Some people weren't happy with this month's box. They just didn't like it, but I liked it. Like, it had some favorites that people already loved. I think my favorite thing is probably the bronzer, just because like I love a good bronzer. Let me know down below what you got in your box this month and what your favorite product was. So that's it for me. So thank you guys so much for watching. Subscribe if you're not already subscribed, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. Ah! There's a bug.